Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to forward an email on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do of course is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from. And from there, you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And that is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial is we would like to forward an email on Bluehost. And of course, if we want to do that, we can simply go and click on this advanced tab on this Lex panel, which will open the control panel or the C panel for us. Here, all we need to do is scroll down until this email option or section, then click on forwarders. That should take you here. Of course, if you want to forward an email, simply click on add forwarder. And here you'll have to enter the address to forward, then the domain name, and of course the forward to email address, or you can even choose that's going to be the destination. You can choose the forward to email address or discard and send an error to the sender at SMTP time failure message seen by sender. Of course, there is the advanced option as well. You can fill them if you want. And once you're done, you can simply click as add forwarder, and that's how you actually forward an email. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.